Hi guys, welcome back to Investing Cartel. Today we're going to be looking at Apple. Their big event just came out. I watched it. A cool review of the new iPhone and what to expect. I'm not going to get into that. You can watch it yourself. So as you can see here, if I zoom in, classic buy the rumor, sell the news. If you're in this game for long enough, you'll understand this is a common occurrence. I myself even thought yesterday, maybe I should sell my Apple, just in preparation of the potential sell-off, the potential sell the news. And keep in mind, the stock market is still open. This is real-time data, anything can happen. Let's talk about some predictions. So if you're seeing this big nasty red candle here, don't panic. No, Apple did not release any negative news. I think the presentation was groundbreaking and I definitely see a future in this stock, in this company. I'm probably going to ride this baby out for the next few years, maybe the rest of my life. I don't know. So we had to sell the news, and sell the news happens all the time. It is a common occurrence. Let's take note that the current price is still at the moment quite a bit above its 20-day moving average on the daily. And as you know, it's one of my favorite starting points to enter a position because of the simple fact that it always meets up with this line, this green line, this 20-day moving average. If this stock does go up over the next few weeks, this moving average will create another golden cross. Let me just change this to line graph. So say if we do end up creating this golden cross here, we could easily just sideways action until we meet this point of contact of the 20-day moving average, which, could very well be support. This is a common occurrence, especially in bull runs, to consistently bounce off the 20-day moving average. In bull runs though, just take note of what I said there. Let's take away this 20-day moving average and focus on the 50-day. This red line here, this stock, like most stocks, have a tendency to interact with these common moving averages. I mean, look at this entire period right here. We literally hugged this point of support. Likewise here, where we recreated the support, resistance here. Yeah, you get the picture, guys. Just go out throughout history. And honestly, guys, the 50-day moving average, especially for a stock like Apple that has proven itself year after year after year to bring in returns and be one of the safer bets in the stock market, buying at the 50-day moving average is a fucking blessing. It really is. I would not be surprised if this, sell the rumor trickles down over the next few days. Also, a lot of the tech stocks, especially the FANG stocks, move up simultaneously. They bring each other up. It is also safe to say we can't just be looking at Apple stock at the moment because, if the other FANG stocks dump, I'm pretty sure it will bring Apple down with it, which is kind of dumb, but you know how it is in the stock market. There's a lot of dumb people, glorified gambling addicts. And I say this all the time. I used to be that person. Most of us are when we start out, until you realize that greed that has been driving those trades will eventually blow up your accounts. This is your money here. This is your finance. This is your life. Pick and choose wisely and play the game as smart as you can. Look at this MACD here. This is a bullish sign. When the red signal of the MACD crosses its zero line here, that's a bullish sign. So at this point, we even had one more confirmation to say that, this signal has turned bullish. Tech stocks have been on a tear, since the pandemic, post-pandemic crash. They have been beaten up in the past recent month. And, I'm not seeing any divergence, which, technically speaking, is a good sign. While the price of the stock is going up, so is the strength of the stock on the RSI. When the price of the stock is going up and say the price of the RSI is going down, it's a very common sell signal that has, a high accuracy of playing out. So it's definitely something to look out for. But, we're not seeing that. We're seeing the opposite, which, to me, all it's telling me is don't panic. Just wait it out. Be patient. I'm happy to say that over the past 2.5 or 3 weeks, I'm in profit again. I can thank patience for that. Patience and understanding technical analysis and what company I'm investing in. All these different factors, not selling for a loss, not letting, social media posts, news articles deter me from, my internal opinions. And I'll continue to do that. Because guys, in a sense, mastering stock trading is mastering yourself, mastering your emotions, keeping yourself in check, thinking rationally, and damn, courage and bravery. I'm going to throw those things in there too. Because when you're down on a position, you're going to war with your emotions. And the best way to deal with this is to not go to war with yourself. Get all these factors in check so you can sleep at night. So you don't worry about what tomorrow is going to bring. Only thing you're thinking about is what you know is going to come in the future. It might not be tomorrow. It might not be next week. But in the long run, you're fucking sorted, okay? Thanks guys for watching. Please help push my content out to more people so they don't blow up their account. Thank you for watching. Happy trading and peace out.